A fur mom from Aklan is gaining online attention for turning an often ignored coastal fruit into cute, customizable cat-themed Dangkalan keychains. Mobile journalist Jas Paredes reports.
A certified fur mom from Aklan is making waves online for her creativity, crafting cute and colorful Dangkalan keychains featuring different cat faces, which can also be customized. She was first known as the Meownai of Choco the Meowdle, where she shared the DIY outfits she made for Choco and her other cats. Due to growing interest from netizens, followers encouraged her to create a Facebook page dedicated to Choco, allowing more people to follow their journey online. In 2022, she eventually ventured into making her own handmade crafts.
Nag-first birthday po kasi si Choco, wala po akong mabilhan ng souvenirs na pang pusa talaga. Ang isipan ko yung dangkalan na yan, hindi pa po siya ganun kaano talaga na pusa. Basta dinuwingan ko lang po siya, pinagdikit siya, at saka pinatungan na may abaka. Tapos, nag-isip pa po ako ng pag after ng birthday niya, tuloy-tuloy na po na gumawa na lang kaya ako ng keychain.
Dangkalan, also known as bitaog or palo maria, is a tree commonly found in coastal areas including Leia's town. Its fruit is often ignored and stepped on as it is not generally eaten unlike other fruits.
Yung tita ko po kasi gumagawa din ng mga souvenirs, yung bunga naman ng yung mga mangrove at saka yung baon ng nyog. Tapos gumagamit sila ng yung mata is dangkalan. Tapos sabi ko, try ko kayang gumawa ng mga keychain naman na mga pusa.
Leia personally handles the entire process of making each Dangkalan keychain. The fruit is first cleaned and carefully hollowed out by removing its contents. It is then sanded to smoothen the surface before painting.
Gawa po kasi nito, medyo naabot po talaga ng 2 weeks. Halimbawa, 50 pieces yung order niya po. Aabot po siya ng 2 weeks. Basta wala lang pong ulan. At tuloy-tuloy po. Kasi hindi po pwedeng magpintura pag maulan, pag medyo malamig. Kasi yung pintura po, nagda-dry po siya. Kasi acrylic po kasi ang gamit ko.
Each Dangkalan keychain costs 50 pesos, with customized designs offered at the same price. However, Leia is temporarily not accepting orders until March due to the large volume of requests she recently received.
Kasi ako lang po talaga kasi ang gumagawa. Baka hindi ko lahat Tapos, pinahiya naman po ako. Yung itong ginagawa ko po, dapat ngayong January natapos na. Ikaso, nag-December ulan po dito hanggang ngayong January, nung nakaraang araw lang po nag-start ng init. Kaya ngayon lang po ako nag-start din ng pagpintura.
For Leia, this creative venture is more than just a source of income. It also helps support her 10 rescued cats who continue to inspire her craft and passion.
Ako po talaga is, yung itong ginagawa ko po is, yung lumago po siya, yung talagang yung masustintuhan ko na po talaga lahat ng pangangailangan nila Choco kasi mahal na mahal ko po sila. Gusto ko po silang mas mabigyan po ng magandang buhay.
Kapatid Jas Paredes, we are One News.